Does your wallpaper looks like this? Bad, right? Want to have a clean wallpaper like Ali Abdaal? Then you are in a right video. Instead of searching higher resolution wallpaper, make a custom wavy clean color scheme wallpaper within 5 minutes using Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Firstly, go to your internet browser and type cooler.io and take a color scheme of your own choice. In this video, I am using orange and yellow color scheme. Now make a solid white background. Then take Ali Abdaal's wallpaper as a reference and make wavy shape using pen tool. Each side needs 4 shapes. Adjust them by using pen tool's anchor point. Last but not least, add your desired logo on the wallpaper. Thus, your wallpaper is ready. You can add it into your PC or resize it and use it for your mobile phone as well. Save this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for further creative content tutorial. Till then, peace.